Good morning to all. In this video, I would like to explain about improving software process. So, this is the second way to improve the software economics. So, now we discussed about improving the software process. So, in this software process, there are three types of subprocesses are there. So, those subprocesses are one is meta process, another is macro processor, and another is microprocessors. So, what is meta processor, what is microprocessor, and what is microprocessors? We will discuss here. Okay, so first we go for the meta process. So in this meta process, organizational policies, procedures and practices for pursuing a software intensive line of business. So line of business means so now this meaning is, so now whatever the product, whatever the project we are preparing in our company, so those projects is currently cost of the product and market value is greater or not. Okay, so is there any demand for our process, so in our market? So this is the line of business. So this is nothing but whatever the demand for those project in the market. So this is the line of business. So total organization policies, procedures and practices for pursuing a software intensive is line of business. So mainly here focus on organizational economics, long term strategies and return of investment, ROI, returns of investment. So this is explained in the meta process. So mainly in the meta process discussed about long term strategies and returns of investment. Okay, so and organizational economics. Okay, so then coming to the macro process, a macro process policies, procedures and practices producing a complete software product within a certain cost, schedule and quality constraints. So here we discussed in the policies, total project can be released whether a certain time or certain schedule or certain quality or with constraints. Okay, so within the time, within the schedule, within the quality constraints, the product is released or not. So totally this is discussed in the macro process. So here the macro process mainly focus on creating a sufficient instance of the meta process for a specific set of constraints. Okay, so mainly macro process will discuss in the organization whether the project is released within the time or within the schedule or within the cost and within the quality. Okay, so here meta process is a instances, one of the instance of the macro process is a one of the instance for the meta process. And coming to the micro process, a micro process is a team policies. Okay, so here the team policies, procedures and practices to achieve a to achieve a artifact of a software process. So artifact is nothing but simply says that a set of information. Okay, so here mainly focus on the microprocess is focus is on the achieving a intermediate product baseline with sufficient functionality as economically and rapidly as practical. So microprocess will denotes the team policies. Okay, so macro process will denotes the total project. So microprocess is denotes the submodule, just like we say call it as submodule. Okay, so submodule is correct or not under teams. Okay, so submodule within the team. Okay, so here the total teams in the described in the macro process. Okay, total project will be described in the meta process. Ante meta process is a superset. So in this meta process there is a some macro process is there. So in the macro process there is a micro process is there. Okay, so these are the three processing teams. Okay, okay, in the software environment. Okay, so in this table we denote the different characteristics, that is different attributes between meta process and macro processor and microprocess. Okay, so here first attribute is subject. So meta process already say that, so meta process will describe the line of business. So macro process will describes the total project. Microprocess will describe about the iterations within the project. Okay, so then next second attribute is objectives. So objectives means here the line of business, profitability and competitions. Okay, so and macro process, project, profitability, risk, budget, schedule, cost, quality, like this. Okay, so the next iteration, next go for the microprocess, resource management, risk management. Okay, so milestone, budget, schedule, quality. Next, who are the audience in the meta process are authorizational, authorities, authorized persons and customers and organizational managers. So here the audience are software project managers, software engineers. So and then microprocess audience are sub project managers and software engineers. Okay, clearly understand the definition. So microprocess is a project teams. So microprocess is a submodule development. So macroprocess is a total project development. Meta process is a selling for the project. Simply says that. So here the metrics are project project revenue, project predictability, revenue and market share. Okay, so here the metrics are within the on budget, on schedule, major milestone success, scrap and rework. Okay, so here the metrics are on budget, on schedule, major milestone, process, release, scrap and rework. Next, concern. So here another attribute is concern. So here be accurate versus standardization. So next, quality and financial performance. So the next here is content versus schedule. Okay, next, time scale 6 to 12 months is meta process. In the macro process 1 to many years and micro process is 1 to 6 months. So these are the different attributes among the meta process, macro process and micro process. Okay, so here the objective of the process improvement is maximize the resource allocation and produce the activities minimum the impact of the overhead activities of the resources such as personnel, computer and schedule. Okay, so the main objective of the process is to improve the process. So once we are improving the process, so we can give the better quality. Okay, we can give the better quality of your product. Due to better quality of your product, so we can reduce the size. Okay, by reducing the by reducing the cost, so we will give the better quality of a project. So here to implement at least 3 dimensions. So here we will take n step process and improve the efficiency of each step. So and we could take n step process and eliminate some of the steps. Now it is a m step process. Now then third one is we will take n step process and all these process will run in parallelly, that is concurrently. So and being performed, resource being applied. Okay, so these are the 3 improvement dimensions in the in the improving software process. So that's about improving software process.